Hello everyone. In this video, we will walk you through a series of improvements we have made to the listing process. The first set of changes applies to the scanning stage. Previously, hovering over a book image did not display an enlarged photo. Now it does. On top of that, clicking the image now takes you directly to the product's Amazon page, which was not the case before. On the View All Session Items page, you used to have to click into the item first and then click the image to reach Amazon. That still works, but now you can also go straight to Amazon by clicking the image without that extra step. These changes apply to both the FBA and FBM Pro scanning workflows. We have made the same improvements to the packing stage as well. Whether an item is in the packed section or the unpacked section, you can now hover to enlarge the photo and click through to Amazon. However, the bigger update here is for products with multiple quantities. First, we have updated the color coding for these items, making it much easier to spot which products have more than one unit at a glance. Let us walk through how this works. When the Unpacked panel is open, meaning you have clicked the Unpacked button, single quantity items behave the same as before. Clicking Add to Box moves the item into the box and prints the label. But when you click on a multi-quantity item, a new menu appears. From here, you can assign all units of that product to whichever box you choose. You can also print labels for all of them at once. This is a significant time saver, especially for sellers who frequently ship multiple copies of the same product. In addition, once the number of unpacked items drops to 40 or below, you will notice an Add All button become active. Clicking it lets you move every remaining unpacked item into the box of your choice, and if the label option is selected, labels will be generated for all of them as well. Those are all of the updates for this week. We hope you found this helpful. See you in the next update video.